Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the handle housing. Now remove the screw that secures the switch to the handle. I'll pull the switch away from the handle. I'll note the location of each of the wires, and then I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new switch. First, I'll reconnect the cord wires. The white wire, and then the black, and now the two black wires that lead to the motor. Now reinstall the screw that secures the switch. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And now you can replace the switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.